山看福達，傲秋霜似楓葉紅，秋風裏醒故夢，未慣秋。
You won't believe this view. Everything was just wrapped in mist. But then, slowly, the clouds started parting, showing us the way. And wow, I even saw the moon chilling in the daytime sky.